Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap USDT to THON on Bitget. It's quite easy. Click on the Bitget centralized exchange. Once you've opened up Bitget, where we have the convert icon, click on convert, and then you're asked to convert an amount of USDT from any of your accounts into a specific token of your choosing. To find out how much USDT you have, head to the assets menu at the bottom right, and then on here you can find the amount of USDT you have or you're holding on your wallet. With that in mind, head back to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Now simply enter an amount of USDT you would like to use. So once you've entered, where we have converting into, click on the Bitget token and search for TON, which stands for THON. Click on the THON coin. And now all you need to do is enter an amount of USDT you want to convert, and then click on preview and click on continue, and the swap is done. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.